thought I played. Hello and welcome to our first review of our first beta. I'm Antonio and here's the detail. Say hi to detail.
Hey.
So first what we're gonna be talking about this beta is we're gonna be showing the differences from every aspect. The main difference is how you'll see this background here. And then you have the mode of changing it if you have that. And then here's where you change your languages. Unfortunately, doesn't seem like they have the American flag, so I'm just going on Britain or whatever. And here's where you add all your different games right here. To do add-ons, you would click right here. I'm gonna disable all my mods for now. That way you get the real feel of it. And then we no longer have the options menu where it says menu and now it says options, and we have this new demos feature. And then when we go to find a multiplayer server, it gives you the different types of game modes now. To get add-ons, it's really nice. See, you would just go to like game modes, and it would say every game mode, all the different maps, and all weapons, models, effects, NPCs, tools, vehicles, and other stuff. Or you could just view it all in the workshop. Now we're actually going to start. Isn't that right, Alicia? So what map do you want to do, dude? You want me to download a map?
Sure, why not?
Okay. So you want a physics thing?
Sure, let's just go down with that and see all the features.
Okay. Let's look for some sort of physics thing. I kind of actually want to see this exploding shed. I'm doing the roller coaster. Sorry, we're not going to get to see that. I'm going to check if it's installed. And now it is. So we'll start a new game on that map. And also, when you go select your game, it has a completely different map selection thing. And then for single player, and then it gives you the, if you're hosting a server, it's nice because it lets you select how many players it has now. And now, instead of having the usual funny comments when it'll load, it just has this boring bouncing Garrys Mod logo.
What's this button?
And as you can see here, we're now on our roller coaster. Nothing too different yet. Just the basic weapons you always start out with. But now you have a completely different spawn menu. And when you spawn NPCs, you can no longer spawn them with weapons. They now come built in with weapons. And they also have these glitches where you could actually get them inside of you. I hope they'll fix that. They probably will. They also add this new new NPCs. So actually, well, Father Gregory just killed the stalker, but it's called a stalker. Then we also have this NPC helicopter. Okay, do not whatever. Okay, it's a bad idea to spawn it. Was what I have now learned from this. And then we have the strider. We have nothing too new. Maybe, and it's still. I'm pretty sure it'll probably still. Oh, now it doesn't have the error when. Oh wait, no, wrong thing. still have that error. It's still just there when you're trying spawning cast zombie torso. Now we have the weapons. Just the usual manhack gun that it comes with. There's this new thing called post-processes, which are pretty cool. There's these overlays, which is kind of cool if you're doing like videos or anything.
Try the mosaic.
Whoa.
Oh, yes. Okay, no.
That's boring.
Yes. Turn it off.
And then, the last part, besides our regular spawn list, is you're probably wondering, where are the vehicles? Well, here they are. They go into entities now. See that, and the chairs have their own thing instead of being in the vehicles. Fun and games is in bouncy balls. Then to get all this stuff, you have to spawn like an airboat or anything. You have to go into Half-Life 2. But what's really nice is now you can spawn ammo and stuff like that. Now we'll get to the actual map we're on in gameplay. And there does not appear to be a roller coaster here. Damn straight. Yeah, this is actually a really lame map. I don't know. Maybe we're supposed to build our own.
Yes,
Blah. Homestuck reference. Okay, we're gonna find a different map, okay? And if you download this map, you're gonna have a bad time. Okay, but seriously now, let's get an actually decent map. Since I should have realized that we were supposed to build our own. Now let's try out this exploding shed.
explosions always make everything better. That is like the effective one.
Last one. And it appears that this does not be here. And what I now notice is, for if you have Left 4 Dead, it'll do Chapter 1, Mission 1, Chapter 1, Mission 2 for all that, if you're wondering what that is. And for Half-Life 2, it gives you the credits. And our map does not seem to be here. I thought oh, it's still downloading. How did I not notice that? What you'll notice now is, instead of having the ring down here, is you're going to have a new download bar which will say all this. So just enjoy our menu screen while we wait.
It's amazing.
Fucking miracles. So do you think we should just wait, turn off the video and reconnect it later? Or while it's downloading? Okay, so we're gonna go, but we'll be quick right now. We'll be real quick. We're gonna, whatever. And we are back, and it has finished downloading.
Oh, yeah.
So we will now start this map. I'm guessing this is it, because it's labeled explosion. I have not seen this before.
But what if it's not? You have to just guarantee technology.
Tell my hamster to shut up. We waited that long. All that download time for that. This. Well, at least go place an NPC in there and have some really awesome explosions.
This is it.
Oh, what? It doesn't even fix itself? What? Okay.
God damn it.
Here's a tip. If something like this happens, just type in reload into the console.
What the hell?
Really, that's what explodes? That's what explodes.
Face palm.
These guys are slow. Okay. Let's wait till it starts moving, so it's, you know what? Do that. Whatever you do, do not download this map. It's very boring. We will actually download a good map at some point. So, once again,
How come we're only choosing the maps that we dislike? Look at them.
so do you think we should just, should we just do it on a regular map and just show them how to install items now? So how to install items from the workshop. We already showed you how to install it through the interface, but through the workshop, if you want like search for something or anything like that, you're gonna have to open workshop. And then, well, let's just hope it loads. Okay, and then once you open up the workshop, and it loads,
Okay,
then you're going to probably want to look any of the items. And we're going to take this Homestuck Gmod and place that because we're always having our Homestuck references.
oh yes.
And we're going to take this and install it. And then what you'll find is you'll find it in add-ons right there.
What you need to read Homestuck.
Hell yeah. And then you go to GM Construct and once it loads, again the bouncy thing that I hate.
It's not bouncing, it's teleporting and stretching. No.
Whatever, and then apparently with this Homestuck thing, I'm gonna choose my favorite character, Dirk Strider. And it should make you smaller if you choose any of the Homestuck kids. And then it's pretty basic, this mod. We're not just playing this mod or anything, but I mean, we're at least gonna give you a basic one-through of what we installed. So we're just gonna have Dave here, and since I'm Dirk, I always have my epic katana.
No, don't kill Dave.
Yeah. And then I just felt like killing him. That's one of the basic run-throughs.
You felt like killing him, why are you safe too?
And then, if you want to change your weapon, certain items like the 2x3 dent, that'll happen if you don't choose the correct character. Okay, that's all you need to know. Goodbye.